Skip, a tough performance, but grind out the win in the end. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I totally agree. Did grind out the result. I thought we were the better team over the 90 minutes. They had a few corners towards the end, but overall I thought that we did well. Created some chances. Perhaps need to be a bit more clinical around the 18-yard box, but other than that, I thought we deserved the result.
Simon Spencer made his first start for the team. How do you keep him?
Yeah, I would. He brings such a wealth of experience and quality. With the amount of league titles that he's won and the standard he's played. So he's come in tonight. And when we saw his quality with his passing, he helped the younger lads with his voice and his know-how. So it's obviously a good addition to the squad.
You said about the young lads, we've got a few injuries at the moment. Do you feel that the academy, as always, is showing its best?
Absolutely. I don't know how many finished the game, it'd be interesting to see how many have started and come on over the 5 games that we've played. But every time we've asked upon them, they've stepped up. Aaron Payne started tonight. Ewan Jones come on and more or less created the goal tonight as well. So it does show the strength of the academy that we've got here.
And lastly, Adam scored his 5th goal today. Is it looking like he's going to be a star striker for the season? Or top scorer?
Yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, he's done well again. You've got to get yourself in the positions to score, and at the moment he's doing that. And I wouldn't say he was in the game the whole of tonight, but at the end he's in position to put it in the net. So good for him.